Around Homa Bay Stadium, they had marshaled people, I've told you, and supporters. They had enlisted some with university students from all over Nyanza and Western were in Homa Bay town. They rushed, the supporters, the Linda Mwananchi team had rushed to meet them. The vehicle carrying Babu Wino and Edwin Sifuna hit and killed a lady living in Shauriako Estate in Homa Bay called Lorraine. Who was their Linda Mwananchi agent there? So it is the vehicle which carried Sifuna and Babu that hit their own agent they employed there. That lady who died was killed by Sifuna and Babu, and they just left her by the road there. The vehicle, yes, they said thugs accompanying them went cutting people on sight. And by the way, sometimes you can plan bad for people, but you end up cutting your people. The people they were cutting and chopping, those people you see in those hospitals, most of them, and that is the time you see them entering in Homa Bay triumphantly celebrating. They went cutting their people, not knowing they were their people. Most of whom were even from morning showing the one finger salute that we don't, of course, support in Homa Bay. By the time they passed through town, a person had been killed and several hacked and harmed by the Orengo Sifuna Babu thugs. They were deliberately slow as they went through town, as the thugs meted out violence on the people of Homa Bay town in the night. By the way, look at the speed they covered from Sophia just to the corner. And the police are ahead, the police are on the side, they're cutting people as they move. And they are playing that music of theirs, because the money Uhuru Kenyatta gave had to find use. And it is in the night. What rally was taking place in the night, even by law? From Homa Bay town, they proceeded to Kindu Bay, where again they stopped as thugs meted violence on our people. And you see James Orengo saying people stopped him. Those are their people they mobilized from the morning. But as they were speaking to people Kindu, now it is approaching 9 p.m., 9 to 10. It is dark. They are still hacking people. The thing was to stop so that the thugs they had paid hurt as many of our people as possible. Throughout their journey of violence in Homa Bay County, the Linda Mwananchi team had the full support and were escorted by lorries and land cruisers of police, including GSU officers. Review those videos. Behind them were 4 lorries. Ahead, actually 3 lorries. Ahead, 2 lorries of GSU. Then you have land cruisers. I know the police were under instructions to abet and aid the goons as they attacked our people. The regional commandant based in Kisumu was personally in charge of the operations to guard the Linda Mwananchi goons as they emitted violence on our people, and to abet their criminal activities, which included openly brandishing firearms as they moved through Homa Bay town. I mean, how does police work with civilians carrying pistols openly? The way you see command, and that is why even the county police commandant and the police officers in that operation could not even heed me as the leader to take measures that would reduce harm to our people. Mr. Brian Weke, and you never saw him in Homa Bay on 16th. I want to tell you where he was. He met the regional police commandant on 16th and passed to her Kenya shillings 5 million for full police support as Linda Mwananchi team and goons killed and maimed our people. And by the way, after the regional police commandant received this money, she was now commanding the operations not from Kisumu, but she was taken to her home in Migori, where she was, commanding from. And she could not be reached to give instructions to ameliorate the suffering of our people. Even the operations order issued by the police on the day appeared to indicate that the Linda Mwananchi thugs, the ones who were intercepted on 15th, were people going to interfere with the rally. Despite this being thugs known to be thugs of Babu Wino and Orengo and recruited to go and kill people under the guise of that purported rally. I want to thank our people, and this I want to say from the very deep bottom of my heart. I want to thank the people of Homa Bay for keeping peace against provocation and incitement to violence. I especially want to thank our young people, the ODM Youth League of Homa Bay, for exercising extreme restraint, even as our enemies meted violence on our people. If our youth did not restrain themselves, and I thank them, we would be talking of different stories. Our youth, thank you so much for keeping peace. And if you saw even the people who are in town, it was 2 finger salute and chants of 2 term, nothing in the hand. If they did not exercise restraint, we would be talking of a different story today. We demand security provision for the governor of Homa Bay County, Her Excellency Gladys Wanga. The thugs had instructions from their principals to kill her on 16th August 2026. Her life remains under grim danger and threat. And if you look at even the posts they are making, they are still threatening. They are still threatening. So we are asking the state security apparatus to firm her support.